Hello and a very good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about pronoun. What is pronoun? First of all, we'll talk about its history, that where this word is taken from. So pronoun, it is taken from a Latin word, okay? From a Latin word, and that is pronomen, which means, what does it mean, this word? Which means for a noun. Okay, so pronoun, it is taken from a Latin word, and that word is pronomen, which means for a noun. Okay, pronoun is a word which is taken from a Latin word, and the word is pronomen, which means for a noun. So the definition will be like this. Definition, that pronoun is a word, it is used instead of noun to avoid its unnecessary repetition. Pronoun is a word. It is taken from a Latin word, pronomen, which means for a noun. So the definition will be, it is used instead of noun to avoid its unnecessary repetition in a sentence. For example, first of all, I'll use a noun, okay? Ali is a student. In this sentence, Ali is a noun. So now I don't want to repeat this noun again and again, okay? We cannot repeat in every single sentence a noun. So for that, we will use pronoun. Why? Because we want to avoid its unnecessary repetition. There is no need to repeat this noun again and again in other sentences. So for that, we will use pronoun. So for Ali, Ali is a boy and it's singular. So I will use he. He is a student. Okay, so in this sentence, I use he, and he is a pronoun. It is used instead of a noun to avoid its unnecessary repetition of a noun, because I'm avoiding to repeat this noun again and again. So for that, I will use pronoun. So pronoun, it is taken from a Latin word pronomen, which means for a noun. Okay, definition, it is used instead of noun. Here I use here there is he for a noun, okay? Because I don't want to repeat this noun again and again, so for that I'll use pronoun. So it is used instead of a noun to avoid its unnecessary repetition in a sentence. Here, if I say Ali is a boy, Ali goes to school, Ali plays cricket. So in these sentences, this noun will repeat again and again. So if I want to stop that repetition, for that I will use pronoun. Okay, so now let's get ahead with the kinds of pronoun. As we say the definition of pronoun, what is pronoun? Now we are going to talk about kinds of pronoun, that how many kinds we have in pronouns. So on number first, we have subject pronoun. What is subject pronoun? A pronoun, subject pronoun is a pronoun which is used in the place of subject. And number first, we have subject pronoun. Subject pronoun, a pronoun which is used in the place of the subject. Then we further divided pronouns in three groups. So first of all, we'll talk about subject pronoun. We have 7 subject pronouns. And those are, number first, he, she, it, I, you, we, and they. They are subject pronoun. First of all, we will talk about subject pronoun. What is subject pronoun? A pronoun which is used in the place of subject. Then we have seven subject pronoun. Number first, he, she, it, I, you, we, they. Then we have divided subject pronoun in three groups further. And those are, number first, we have first person pronoun, first person subject pronoun, you can say. And number first, we divided these pronouns. We have subject pronouns he, she, it, I, you, we, they. Then we have divided these pronouns in three groups. Number first, first person pronoun. And number first person pronoun is a that who is speaking, okay? Who is speaking. And for first person pronoun, we have I is a singular and we is a plural. Okay, so number second, we have second person subject pronoun. What is second person subject pronoun? It refers to the person to whom we are speaking. Okay, first of all, we see it. We have first person pronoun. First person pronoun, it refers to a person who is speaking, and that was I for singular and we for plural. Number second, we have second person subject pronoun. What is second person subject pronoun? It refers to the person to whom we are speaking, and we can speak to you. So now you is second person subject pronoun because we are speaking to someone, so that is you. So you is second person subject pronoun. Okay, so number third, we have third person subject pronoun. What is third person subject pronoun? It refers to the person about whom we are talking. Okay, so third person subject pronoun, it refers to the person about whom we are talking. So we can talk about he, she, it, they. So for singular third person pronoun, they are he, she, and it. And for plural third person subject pronoun, that is they. Because he, she, it, and they are third person subject pronoun because it refers to the person about whom we are talking. In kinds of pronoun, number second, we have object pronoun. What is object pronoun? Object pronoun is a pronoun which is used in the place of an object and mostly receive an action. Object pronoun is a pronoun which is used in the place of object, okay, and mostly receive the action. So object pronoun, it will receive the action, but this pronoun, it will use in the place of object. How? I'll tell you. Look at this chart. First of all, we have pronouns, okay? Subject pronoun. Subject pronouns are he, she, it, I, you, we, and they. But for object pronoun, it will be changed. Object pronoun, we have for he, him, for her, it, me, you, us, and them. So it will receive the action as we said. that object pronouns, it is used in the place of object and mostly receive the action. So how it will receive the action? For example, if I say I call him. Now here, call is an action and I is subject and him is an object and it receives the action. Okay, number second, for example, if I say we play cricket with them. In this sentence, we is subject pronoun and them is object pronoun. Why? Because here this subject it starts action and them it is received by them. So as we said in the object pronoun, that object pronoun will receive the action in object pronoun we will put here in the place of object. So here them it is the place of object and it receives the action. Okay, so on number third we have possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? So possessive pronoun is a pronoun which is used which is used to show ownership, relationship, possessive pronoun is a pronoun which is used to show ownership and relationship. For example, uh, we'll talk about it, but again look to the definition that possessive pronoun is a pronoun which is used to show ownership and relationship. So those pronouns we call that possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns. Keep in mind one thing, that possessive pronouns never followed followed by noun. Followed by noun. Okay, so again, possessive pronoun are those pronoun which is used to show relationship or ownership. And one thing, that possessive pronoun never followed by noun. We cannot put noun after possessive pronouns. Let's see what are possessive pronouns. We have subject pronoun and then we have possessive pronoun, so you will understand better. First of all, we have possessive pronoun, subject pronoun, and then we have possessive pronoun. Then we have possessive pronoun. So I is subject pronoun, so its possessive will be my, or you can say, okay, he, so his, she, hers, or you, yours, we, so ours, they, possessive pronoun of they will be theirs. Okay, look at the structure. First of all, we have subject pronoun. Subject, we have 7 subject pronouns: he, she, it, I, you, we, and they. But possessive pronoun, for subject pronoun it will be changed. Possessive pronouns for I is mine, for he his, for she her, for you yours, we ours, they theirs, and it its. So as we said in the definition, that possessive pronoun it is used to show relationship or ownership. Okay, and possessive pronoun will never be followed by noun. We cannot put noun after possessive pronoun. For example, this is mine. Here mine is possessive pronoun because it shows the ownership, not yours. Now here yours is possessive pronoun. Next example, you picked up You picked up my cell phone instead of yours. Here, yours is possessive pronoun. Like in this example, this bag is not ours. Now here, ours is possessive pronoun. It's theirs. Here, there is also possessive pronouns. Okay, next one we have interrogative pronoun. And number four, what is interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronouns are those pronouns which is used to interrogate or ask question or to ask about a question. Those pronouns are called interrogative pronoun. Then we have interrogative pronouns or like who, whom, which, that, whose. If you want to make question, so with these we will put plus verbal. For example, if I say whom did you meet with? Here, whom is interrogative pronoun. For example, if I say what is your name? So in these examples, whom, what, which, that, and whose. These all are interrogative pronouns because it is used to ask about a question in a sentence. And we have who, whom, which, that, whose. These are interrogative pronouns. If you want to make a question, so first of all, we'll put interrogative pronoun. With that, we will use verb, like whom. Whom is interrogative pronoun. With it, I put here verb, did. What, then, is. Is a verb, okay? So it was all about interrogative pronoun.